Hello all, welcome back to Python programming. So today we will be learning about turtle graphics. So what is turtle graphics? Let me firstly introduce it to you. Basically, turtle graphics is a popular way for introducing programming and logics to the beginners. So we will also study about it, how to make different patterns and all by using this graphics option offered by Python. Okay, so now open your shell, go to file, new file option, and your file appears. So for that, first you have to go to your command prompt. Go to your search and write cmd. Your Windows command prompt opens. Okay, like cmd. This is your command prompt. Here you have to write pip install turtle. Okay, and then you have to press enter. In a few moments it will be downloaded and also installed in your Windows. So you remember you that you have to go to the command prompt to download it. You have to install it first and you have to write pip install turtle as the same that I have written. Okay, I have already installed it in my PC. So now coming back to here, after installing it, come to your file and write import turtle. That we have written import turtle because turtle is a package and we are importing that package now. Okay, so uh, screen, because a screen displays like a screen, this is a screen that is displayed when I clicked on the new file option. So similarly a screen will be displayed when when this will appear, when it will run. This is turtle because it is a package. The package has got a screen named function and I am calling it. Okay, then if I want to set the background color to some color, I will write this PG color, and in the bracket I'll write whatever color I want it to, like black. It looks a classy one. Okay, so now next, now what is isn't you just have to type the name of the turtle you want to give it, like calling, so that you can call it when you want it. So let's make it Fred. Okay, Fred equals to turtle dot pen. Why turtle dot pen? Because when we want to call it, then it will be ready via pen, so it will be making the design also. Okay, then if you have to set the speed, in OS and Mac it is more, so you can write it up to 3 for the Windows. Okay, then you have to write Fred dot shape, what shape you want to give it, like you can give it a triangle, a square, but now just like assume that we are giving it the shape of a turtle because turtle. So we can also give the size, basically the turtle size. Okay, so now setting the turtle size up to some fixed number, then we are calling it again. So setting up the width of that turtle, that is again, let's assume it to be 3. Then Fred dot color, what color we should, let's have a yellow because it looks great on black. And now is the coding part that you have to write. Basically, whenever you are writing this turtle, you are running turtle, you just have to write these lines as it is. Like you can change the speed, you can change the shape, you can change the size, width, and color, but it will be as usual. Okay, so basically, what changes in every coding is this what I'm going to write 3 lines. This is always going to change. Okay, so it will be for I in range 7. Let's assume 4 because we are making a like square first. Let's make a square. Okay, I'm writing it for square. So I told you about the for loop. So for a square, I have to go first forward. Okay, so forward, let's assume the size to be its width to be 200. Okay, then I go forward, then I have to turn left, then I go left, then I go forward 200, then again left, then again left. So that means I don't have to turn right. If I'm putting it in a loop, then it is making it work easier to me that I don't have to type so many lines so many times. Otherwise, I could have written it like these 2 lines first and then these 2 lines again, again, again. I have to repeat the same procedure for about 4 times. So I'm writing it in a loop, that is for loop, because I know how many times my I want to move the turtle. Okay, so fret dot left. So I want it to turn by 90 degrees. Okay. Whenever you write forward, it assumes that you are making or you are writing the side. Whenever you write left or right, it assumes that you are telling me the angle you want to. Okay, now I will be saving it first. Never save the write just by total. Don't make it the name just total. You can write total demo underscore 01. Never save it with total.py. Okay, because it will give you an error. Okay, because it has also a back file at the back end whose name is turtle, so it will not know who which to run. So I'm going to the run module option. I guess I didn't, my screen is there at least, but I guess I have not written the name of the turtle correctly. Fred, and here I have read, so it didn't give me. Okay. Okay, so now run it again. This time it will. So did you see? And also notice one thing, that my screen is staying over here. It is not. So now you are clear about what are the graphic options that I have written, why I have written forward, then left, then forward, then left, then forward, then left. Okay, because I wanted it. Now it has returned to its original position. Okay. So now you can also try different styles. I will be telling you about circle and more in my next videos. So I hope you are with me then. Thank you.